rise, we all rise. Students rise, we all rise.
What I
Want you to know me. What I need is for you to show me some compassion and a little respect.
just a little bit,
Hey baby,
just a little bit,
when I'm at school.
just a little bit,
Hey mister,
just a little bit.
Now bullying is wrong, it has to end. Cruelty is wrong, so be your friend now. You know you oughta turn it into respect when you see me, baby, in school, at home.
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
all I'm asking, sisters and brothers, please accept me with all the others.
And treat me with kindness, treat me with love.
Just a
Yeah, baby, treat me with love.
little bit, just a little bit.
Responsibility, respect, kindness, generosity. Ooh, once I was just fussing and fighting, but I can choose to do the right thing. I can choose to be the one who makes people feel good.
Make them feel good. Yeah, baby.
Just a little bit.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Demonstrate 3B's. Citizenship, self-control,
Just a little bit, just a little bit,
honesty,
just a little bit, just a little bit.
compassion,
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
cooperation, acceptance,